फिलहाल आई एम रेडी। काफ़ी धूप है अभी, बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है। आगम अभी आएगा, होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट। हाय गाइस, so it's 1:33. We have boarded the bus with Agam and Agam will tell about क्या इवेंट है, what is so special about this, वो सब बताओ भाई।
होंडा की जो मदर फैक्ट्री है कुमामोटो फैक्ट्री इन जापान इज completed 50 years and today marks 10 years of our HMSI Ford factory.
Oh, 10 years.
Yeah.
Vithlapur
plant. So there is a foundation day celebration today. So I invited hers to witness what is exactly there. So yeah, we are
to understand real engineering, how things are being made, and the importance of engineering in life. Why am I saying all this? I have like literally went away from engineering. I am not now associated with engineering field. But yeah, that's fine. We are in the bus. This is the view of the bus. So far, so good. Just an update. It's like time 1.5 hours, I guess. Just reached the plant. Here are the first impressions. जैकेट तो लेनी पड़ेगी। Where is the event, bro? उधर।
Bus just entering
Sir.
the premises.
Which premises?
The event premises.
टीका वगैरह हुआ है। This is the first impressions. Oh, it's a very big ground actually. Nice. Plant के अंदर ही they have this event thing. There's welcome drinks. There's everything. काफ़ी कूल भी बनाया है, लाइक बीइंग एन इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी इन लोगों ने लाइक काफ़ी इसको एस्थेटिक और कूल बनाया है। एस्थेटिक तो नहीं बट कूल इनफ। ये सब चीज़ें इन लोगों ने ऐसा रखा है यहाँ पे। वहाँ पे स्टेज है एंड दीज यहाँ पे फूड काउंटर है और ये चालू ही है। सरप्राइजिंगली लोग अभी से कुछ ना कुछ खा रहे हैं, विच आई गेस आई थिंक सो, नॉट श्योर।
पानी मत पीओ उधर।
पानी वेयर इज़ पानी?
ये रहा, ले ले।
हाउज इट?
टेस्टी है।
नाइस। अभी से
भूख लगी थी यार।
नाइस। Guess who's there? Who's this?
Hello.
The event has started.
Please introduce hers.
007, 006,
008. Harsh Acharya in the house, and we are at HMSI's Rajat Utsav 2025. So,
Yes.
HP, a question for you. How are you feeling?
Good only.
Good only, just good.
It is sunny, so
Very sunny. I
Okay.
just wished कि मैं sunglasses लेके आता तो better रहता।
उसकी गाड़ी में होगा सनग्लासेस चाहिए।
Yeah,
नहीं, that's
Because-
fine. That's fine.
because we two HMSI people want HMSI Honda motorcycles and scooters in
Our
India.
future is very bright, so the environment sunny is
Sunny is-
rightly.
No, I just thought you guys like have this habit of standing in sun and
No.
No. We do not encounter sun frequently
I just-
because we are in shifts and we work under a roof, I guess, Agam.
Yeah, correct. Harish bhai,
cool. ठीक है।
No. We work.
The event will start.
Event will
This is the
start.
stage.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Vlogs is
Harsh
Ashish Kumar, and your name is?
Pardon me. I hope
इनके
audience
लिए
of Harsh Vlogs
और
is enjoying
राजेश जी
this
के लिए
event
बात करना
and the
चाहूंगी।
vlog.
संगीत
Yes,
जिंदगी
of
की जरूरत
HMSI
नहीं,
for
संगीत
Rajat
जिंदगी में
Utsav.
जरूरी है। संगीत जिंदगी की जरूरत नहीं, संगीत जिंदगी में जरूरी है।
There's some
Thank you so
game
much.
going
Thank
on
you,
right
sir. You can take a seat. Now,
And-
we're going to play one more game with all.
This is the
And all
game.
you have to do is,
That's the
I'm
game.
going to ask you, एक
Spectacle
धुन
is
बजेगा.
amazing.
There would be one tune. All you have to do is guess ये धुन
Sorry?
कौन सी है. Are you with
it's
me?
an amazing
Yes.
spectacle and
And
all the
मेरे
Japanese expats
पास
are
prizes हैं. Do you have the
participating
prizes
in
by any
exciting
chance?
games and
All
we
right.
are currently
Prizes
enjoying
आपको
the
दिए
view
जाएंगे 2-2 करोड़.
over here.
क्या है मैं आपसे
Harsh
पूछ के
Acharya
बताती
is
हूँ.
the
All right. हम
new
बहुत अमीर
member
कंपनी
in
है.
the
So we are very
vlogging
rich
gang
company. All right.
from BVM.
Can we have the tune,
College.
please? All right, you just धुन कौन सी है? Okay, that's साइड बजने दो बजने दो बजने दो। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। सर आपकी हसीना कहाँ है? सर आप उनको
What is
मैम
this?
एक सेकंड आगे आइए ना। हाँ। सर इतना अच्छा गाना गाया आपने एंड एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। खाली उनको एक लाइन बोलनी है, बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया, अंदाज में।
बचना,
सर किसी और को नहीं देख रहा है, जस्ट हैव टू सी योर वाइफ, नो वन एल्स।
तो आपने बोला ना बचना हसीनो लो मैं आ गया।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी। लुक एट हर।
बचना है हसीनो लो मैं आ गया।
My God, that is a fantastic one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, can
Yes,
we have the next
The
clue,
guy
please?
sitting next to us is more excited than the person performing there.
Okay, one this side. Anyone from this side?
जो क्रिकेटर है उसने एक बार बोला था कि एवरीवन फाइंड आउट
अच्छा, okay.
कि जो
Come forward. गाना बजने दो यार। दोनों में कुछ।
बॉलर्स की बीवी होती है वो उनको ज़्यादा
पसंद आती है। तो काइंडा वैसे सीन हो गया अभी वहाँ पे। I don't know what's going on. Keep rolling guys, keep rolling. Yes,
Basically, we are playing in South Africa.
We are playing?
We are no, we are not playing. So
currently there is one artist who is distributing some djembes which are basically from Africa, and it is an instrument which makes beautiful rhythm, and Harsh is also have stayed for his formative years of his life in Africa, so he is aware about this. He is very excited to play the djembe.
nostalgia is hitting him hard. So basically, I am assuming that nostalgia is hitting Harsh hard, and he wants that djembe. He wants to showcase his skills.
Oh man, I have never played such instruments.
Do you know about djembe?
Yeah, I've just heard about it. I've just heard about it. But not
While he was growing up in Africa, he used to see people playing djembes, so he is aware about it.
Yeah.
He has
That's
purchased.
pretty much self-explanatory, guys. Now let's
He has purchased ukulele. I don't know if he has learned it entirely. What would you want to say, Harsh?
I have. I'll add some clips of me practicing ukulele in this vlog.
So basically, there is. I wanted to tell everyone briefly that.
Keep it a bit far. Otherwise,
So the three of us have met after almost 6 to 8 months, and there is a secret behind the meeting of this is P20P006,
that is already done, bro.
P20P007,
That is
and
already
P20P008. We are the three roll numbers in the same, and yeah, it's surreal to meet after 6 to 8 months.
what is P?
He is just the name of our course, which will
Which
tell
course?
about you later. Because of me, Harsh Acharya and myself are sitting over here, and Harsh is sitting in Zomato.
Hey, Harsh is sitting in Zomato because of Masters Union.
અને યાદ છે આપણે ઓલું જીગીશા મેડમના ક્લાસમાં ઓલું મોબાઈલમાંથી બંધ કરી દેતા
પ્રોજેક્ટર
હવે તો ડિગ્રી આવી ગયું ને સો
આ ગુજરાતીમાં એટલે બોલે છે કે મતલબ જ્યારે અમે ક્લાસમાં હતા ત્યારે જીગીશા મેડમ કરીને એક અમારા પ્રોફેસર હતા તો ડ્યુરિંગ લેક્ચર્સ એક અમારી પાસે ફોન હતો એનાથી અમે પ્રોજેક્ટર ઓફ કરી દેતા તો એના બોરિંગ ક્લાસીસમાંથી થોડું રિલેક્સેશન કરતો કોણ એ
that was a
And I
mystery.
was given the responsibility to hide that remote physically. Yeah, I used to just hide it somewhere in the class. And who was the one who operates
રિમોટે હતું ને એક આપણો એમઆઈ નો ફોન પણ હતો ને યાર ધવલનો.
Dhaval? धवल was favorite of ma'am, so basically धवल तो कर देता था.
आपकी एनर्जी मेरे से ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. आप लोग क्या सीढ़ी में कितने जोर से जाओगे?
तारो फेवरेट क्लास का हो तो
क्या बात है, एक बार
अमित
और
सर, अमित सर.
फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स
No, no, CAD.
दो तीन लोग को
CAD.
जोर से come on everyone together.
यार
You
सर
will
बता
shout.
स्कोर हर से
So is it called CAD?
So let's play
I
the
don't
beat.
remember.
Let's play the beat.
Dynamics.
And don't forget to
CAD, yeah.
shout Honda. And we'll
Because
start
I
the
guess
song.
his favorite subject was CAD because of KD Bhatt sir.
Go.
बट रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग
Honda.
होंडा
Honda.
So Agam, what was I proposing you that we shall
Proposing?
suggesting. So basically we are in corporate, so we use such terms.
Even I am in corporate, guys. Come
But you
on.
are in different type of corporate.
Fast-paced company.
No, we should be interviewing our department head and general managers as well,
Nahi, bro.
asking the questions that we cannot ask directly, using the platform Harsh Logs.
Harsh Logs.
Harsh Logs.
we'll see about it currently we should
Have some food.
Yeah.
accident or
The
something.
audience is dead. Audience is dead, and I feel the pain of that particular artist. But he is having great energy, to be honest.
Yeah, I get it. What do you have to say about the music behind it?
लंदन रे वो वाला सॉन्ग है
Right.
Agam, do you want to review the performances?
आफ्टर सम
Biting? Biting?
What is biting? What is? This is a place
This is the main
Where-
course.
people are looking at me very awkwardly with this
yeah.
camera.
So I hope HP you are enjoying the meal. Is it good?
I was looking for paneer.
Which one? Haryali paneer? But
मैंने इसको ऑफर किया था तब ये नखरे कर रहा है बाद में खाएं
but it is extinct now. Sadly. HMSI provides the best hospitality. क्यों आगम?
भाई
HMSI की hospitality कैसी है?
थोड़ा खा ले
Sure भाई, sure.
Yeah. So we'll just have some food and then come back again. Stay tuned.
Although being an employee of
Basically,
this
Harsh
particular
works over here as well. So how's your experience over here? What do you want to say about the event?
So, of course. So I feel that HMSI has lot to give as a fresher, but one thing that you should have is patience and perseverance. Again, the two mantras that I feel. I was talking HMSI as a company, as an entity.
छोटा भाई वो भूखा है बेचारा उसको कुछ खिलाओ